Subaru's Levorg is a spacious four-wheel drive estate that offers a dynamic look and feel, along with strong performance, plush comfort and usable practicality. It targets a narrow group of customers who will probably already be fans of the brand, but it's certainly good enough to reach a wider audience. The Levorg package is based around a 1.6-litre turbo petrol power plant mated to Lineartronic automatic transmission and Subaru's trademark Symmetrical All-Wheel Drive system. Like all Subaru's engines, this modern Euro 6 unit uses a distinctive boxer configuration, a package that's been refined for this car to the point where, on the move, you'd hardly notice its uniqueness. That does, though, make this car exceptionally quiet, a great long-distance companion. Twistier roads could be handled better if there were more feel from the steering, but once you adjust, there's prodigious grip, thanks not only to four-wheel drive, but also to active torque vectoring, which improves corner turning. There's also a Subaru Intelligent Drive System, SI Drive for short, that, depending on the way you want to drive, alters engine, gearbox and throttle response. Set it in sport mode and 62 miles an hour from rest takes 8.9 seconds en route to 130 miles an hour. The Levorg looks suitably dynamic with its piercing Hawkeye LED headlamps, chrome-framed hexagonal grille and deep front bonnet scoop. Viewed from straight on, it's a menacing thing, no question. Get one of these in your rear-view mirror and you'd be quick to move over. Which makes this sporting estate, well, what exactly? A WRX STI for the family man? Perhaps it would be with the pokier power plants the brand offers in other markets. As it is, sportiness here must be mixed with sensibility, though still in a way that gives this car far more driveway presence than any of its rivals can muster. Time to take a seat up front, where you'll find yourself in the smartest and most sophisticated cabin the brand has yet created, thanks to a dashboard built around a tall fascia which cascades down towards the piano black trimmed centre console. Further down this centre console sits arguably the cabin's smartest feature, a 7-inch colour touchscreen that adds to the upmarket feel and is the portal from which you access the 6-speaker stereo and the usual phone and informational features, as well as the standard satellite navigation setup. Now, it comes complete also with Subaru's latest Starlink infotainment technology. Take a seat at the rear and you'll find space to be adequate by class standards, with legroom aided by the way that the front seat backs have been curved for greater knee room. And out back, well, the idea with this car was to provide the luggage space of Subaru's rather over-large 5th-generation Legacy Tourer, yet deliver that with the more compact, sporty looks of the older 4th-generation version of that model. It's an objective that's been achieved, the rear tailgate rising to reveal a 522-litre space, accessed via a usable rectangular opening and a low loading lip. Overall then, a rare but really rather appealing choice in the medium estate segment. If you like your driving, are happy with petrol power, need all-wheel drive at a relatively affordable price, and don't want an SUV, or an estate trying to look like an SUV, it may well be just up your street.